Hey, what's up guys? My name is Nasir and welcome to another video. In this video, you will learn how to download and install the Arduino IDE, the software to program the Arduino. So let's go. Before we download and install the Arduino IDE, let's talk about what the IDE actually is. The IDE, or the Integrated Development Environment, is basically a software that you use to write and process your code. I mean, it's a text editor, but apart from just text editor, it is also a compiler, a debugger, linker, and in case of microcontrollers like Arduino, it also uploads the code to the microcontroller. So it's like a super notepad. You don't exactly have to know all of this when you start working on Arduino, but yes, it's a good thing if you know what's happening in the background. I mean, knowledge, this is power. So yes, inshallah, we will make separate videos on all of these, the compiler, the debugger, the linker. But for now, just know that the Arduino IDE is the software that you will be using to write the code and then send it to Arduino. That's all you need to know. So let's go. Okay guys, so to download the Arduino IDE, you need to open up your web browser and go to arduino.cc. Now this is the official Arduino website, and all you have to do is hover over this software tab and click on downloads. Next, you need to scroll down, and depending on your operating system, you need to click on one of these. So I have Windows 10, so I am going to choose Windows Installer. If you have Mac or Linux, you can choose that. Okay, now this will take you to another interesting page, and if you are rich and you can donate $50, don't donate them here, just comment your number below and I will contact you and you can give it to me. You can donate the money to me. You don't have to donate it here.
I am once again asking for your financial support.
But if you are poor like me, then click on just download. Once you click on this, the download should begin. This will take a moment. Okay, something is wrong. Hey, what's happening here? The time is increasing. Is the internet working? What am I supposed to do now? Okay, so the internet is working now, but what happened? Let's find out.
Meanwhile,
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
I am very sorry about that, but this POTCL thing is very weird around here. It happens a lot of times, so sorry about that. Okay, so I already downloaded the Arduino Ide Setup. All you have to do is click open it and then it will open up this setup section. All you have to do is just click on I agree and next. I mean, there's nothing you need to change here, but just make sure that this driver section is checked. I mean, the first time you install the Arduino IDE on your computer, it will install some USB drivers to support the Arduino. So let's skip this. Once it is installed, you will see this Arduino icon here. I am just going to drag it over here. I like it here more. And just click on it. Once you click on it, then you have to wait a few seconds. Another screen will come. This is actually a loading screen. And then, yes, here we are, the text editor. If you can see this text editor screen, then congratulations, you have finished the first tutorial. And that's all you have to do for now. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and learned something, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.